What's up, guys? So this is what we're doing. We have a Getaway Playfield that I have purchased from a swap meet that is a lot of people would not even touch. It is pretty nasty, so what I'm going to do is blow it off with the air gun right here and get all the big stuff off and see what we got. So now I've got it out of the cabinet. I've blown all the really big chunky stuff off, and I'm looking at the playfield now to see what all kind of defects that I'm going to have to deal with. Just now I'm looking at it and I'm like, well, a lot of these metal parts are all rusted up and pretty much worthless. And we've got a little divot right here, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to see a lot more once I take all this stuff off the playfield, so we'll see. Alright, so I've got all the hardware off the playfield except for this post right here. I'll get with that later. And I'm looking over and I'm seeing a lot of stuff that I'm going to have to do touch-ups on, or see, hopefully all this stuff gets off. This is ridiculous. For what I know, this is a flood victim, so I'm hoping to bring this thing back to life. We're going to start out doing a basic clean just to see what we can get off. Alright, after a basic clean, this is what I can see that I got to work with now. It's better, but I'm definitely going to have to do a more thorough clean. This is really scaring me up here. I'm not really sure what all I'm going to have to deal with. I mean, but it doesn't look very pretty at all. This is like actual like rust that has come off of metal that is up here that I'm going to have to take off. So after doing a more hardcore cleaning, getting every little nook and cranny that I could see, you can see that the playfield's already looking like 100% better. I mean, just getting all this stuff off just by cleaning looks a lot better, but I'm going to end up doing touch-ups and repainting some portions of the field due to damage. And that's going to have to be redone right there, that eject hole right there. Yep, so let's do it. Got everything off of the back of the playfield now. And bam, clear coated, conditioned, rock solid. This thing's gonna sit for about 3 weeks, and then we can probably start assembling the game back together for somebody, maybe myself. I don't know. I've got another playfield to work on. I'm gonna determine which one I like better, and that's the one I'm gonna use. But yeah, this baby is pretty much done right now. I'm gonna finish letting it cure for the next 3 weeks, and we'll see how things go for the next playfield.